Here are a few top tips to help you achieve sustainable gardening. Wherever you can, try to plant native plants. They'll more or less survive on their own and they'll require far less watering. Try to encourage birds into your garden. Not only will it improve the environment of your garden, but it's also really good for your mental health well-being, just hearing and seeing the birds. The numbers of pollinators are also declining, like butterflies and bees, so it's really important to try and attract them into your garden. If you're feeling brave, you could leave a little patch of weeds for them. If you do need to keep insects and bugs away, such as slugs and snails, try to use something that's more natural in a product, such as the wool pellet repellent. Companion planting is also a really useful way of deterring insects and pests without the need for pesticides. Go peat free with your compost. Peat bogs are known to contain massive amounts of carbon, so when it's dug up to be used as compost, you're actually releasing that carbon back into the atmosphere. So do your bit and go peat free.